Welcome to the class. Today we will be discussing the for loops. Previously, in our previous class, we discussed the while loop, right? So in this class, we are going to discuss the for loop. What are the loops actually? We use loops for repetitions to repeat the things, iterations. So that's why these are called loops. So we have discussed the while loop and now we are going to discuss the for loops. A for loop similarly is used for iterating, I mean repeating the things over a sequence, okay? That is either a list, tuple, dictionary, set, string, whatever it is, we can repeat it, okay, many times. And then just wait a minute. Okay, so why we use for loops? To repeat the things, just like we used while loop to repeat the things, we use for loops to repeat the things, okay? So, for example, here it is a list, okay? This is a list. And the name of the list variable is fruits. So we want to print this entire list by using the for loop. So we will write for x in fruits. It means for each item in fruits list. X mean for each item. In fruits, print each item. Print x. So how it will work? Let's see. Well,
It's going to make them in different lines.
yes. I mean, it will, for each item, like the first time X is apple, and then the second time X is banana, and then the third time X is cherry. So it will print three items, okay? So X is apple, then X is banana, and then X is cherry. We can,
Okay.
if we add more items, uh, just a minute, we need to put the inverted commas. Okay, I have
But
added an
you
other
forgot
item.
something.
What
It
is,
doesn't do any change.
so you can see that there is orange. Now there are four items, okay?
Because if you look at cherry, there are two dots, cherry, two dots, and this comma.
So this comma is only needed if we need to continue putting the items, okay? And if the
Oh,
list is ended, there is no need to put any comma, okay?
okay.
So what we have done in this example, that we have a list. This one is a list, and the name of this list variable is fruits, and for each item in fruits list, print each item, okay? So there is no need to actually use the indexing, like this is number 0, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, okay? So it is automatic, okay? But
Okay.
don't forget to put indentation here, okay? The two spaces. And then, yes, it is written here, the for loop does not require an indexing variable, okay? So we can even loop through a string. In our previous example, we loop through a list, okay? So this is a list.
Okay.
But we can loop through a string as well. So if I write only banana, so it's a string, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It means for each character in banana, print each character. So what will it print?
It will print each character. It means
Yes.
B, A,
Yes.
N, A, and
It
A.
yes, it will print B, then A, then N, then A, then N. Okay. So it means for each character in this string, print each character. So it is going to print each character.
So that means the longer the word, the longer it goes.
Yes. Okay. We can also use the break statement. We have also used break statement previously. Okay.
Yeah,
So what will it do? For
will
example, uh, okay. Okay. Yes. The break statement. So break statement, using the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. It means, so this is again the list, and we are telling it that for each item in fruits in this list, print X means print all the thing. Okay, print all this list.
okay.
But
Okay.
if X is banana, then break.
Okay.
It
It means
means
it's going to
it
leave only
means it
apple.
it will print apple. Okay,
Mhm.
and then it will check if X is banana. Oh no, it is not banana. It will not break it. Then it will go again, and this time it is banana. So it will print banana, and then it will check if it is banana, then break. So the important thing is the next time if it is banana, it will print banana, and then
Okay.
it will break. Okay, because X is banana, so now it will break. So it will not print cherry. Is it clear to everybody?
Cherry is gone.
Yes, cherry is gone.
Yes.
And remember again, here we have indented, I mean, two spaces. Here are also two spaces, and this is also indented. Okay.
Okay. Why are
And
spaces
and
very
how
important?
what will I do if I need to stop to break from printing the banana? I mean, it should print apple, and then if it check that if X is banana, then it should go to break. It should not print banana. What changes I can do to it?
The change. Uh, so if you type continue, it's going to skip banana but print cherry.
Can I do this? I mean, this one. If it checks for X in fruits, if X is banana, then break. And if X is not banana, then print X. Will it
So
work?
like I think so it'll work like this.
Okay. But there is something we need to actually be concerned about, and that is the spacing, the indentation. Okay, I'm going to run it and let's see what happens. Here is an error, and can you read this one? Sorry, indentation error. Expected an indented block. Okay, line number 4. So this break will be indented. Okay,
Mhm.
we need to actually indent it. And if Again, I run it. So yes.
Also, I have to add 4 spaces.
Ah, 2 spaces of this block. So this is a block, okay? This is a block. Okay, now who is going to explain this program?
I will.
Okay.
So, if x is equal to banana, then it'll break and it will not continue.
You need to actually start from the beginning.
Oh, fruits,
Yeah.
it name a value which
Hmm.
is in the value which is apple, banana, cherry. For x in fruits, and if x equals to banana, then break, then print, then print x, and
Okay,
then
let me explain. Let me explain. So here is a list, okay?
yes,
And the name of this list variable is fruits.
yes, that's what I said.
So for each item in fruits, for each item in fruits, it will check if X is banana. So is X is banana?
Yes.
No, it's apple. The first thing is apple.
Oh,
So for the first time, X is apple. It's not
okay,
banana. So it will be false. So it will not going to break. Okay.
okay,
So this block will not be executed. It will go to print the first item, and the first item is apple. Okay. So it will
okay,
print the apple, you know. And then for the second time, now X is banana. For the second time, it's banana. So if X is banana, break. So it will break the program. It will not go to the print. The program is ended. Okay.
okay.
And what if I uh, print? What if I write apple here? What will happen to it?
Well, then it'll print nothing.
It will print nothing because the first item is apple, and for apple in the fruit for the first item, if it is apple, it will break the program and it will not go to anything. And what if it is cherry?
If it's steady, then it's going to print the apple and banana.
And what if it is mango?
But it's going to never break any and bring all 3.
So what will happen? Let's see.
They bring all 3.
It will print all three because there is no mango in this list. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it will
So it's
print
false.
all three. It's false. The three times it's false. So for loop is very much interesting, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have actually taken various examples by changing the code. So,
Okay.
so we have done this apple, banana, cherry, and for each item in fruits, if X is banana, go to break. We have done this. And similarly, as we use break command, we can use continue statement. We have previously used this one.
I'm
Okay.
back.
Yeah. So if X is banana, continue. What does it mean?
It means it's going to get rid of banana. Like
I
it'll skip
it
it.
means okay. I mean leave the banana and move to the next.
Yes.
Yes, let's try it. Yes, the first one is apple. It has printed apple, and the second one is banana, and If it is banana, oh, continue to the next. So the next is cherry. So apple and then no banana and cherry.
Okay.
Okay, again, we can use the range function. Okay, it's also interesting. For x in range 6, I mean, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 6 numbers. 0 to 5 are 6 numbers. Range
Okay.
6. Because counting starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what if I write here 16? It will start from 0 to till
We'll start
from 0 and it will go till,
all the way until the number is printed, which is 16.
yeah, it will go till which number?
16.
No, 15. Because when it was 6, it went to 5. So the total number are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So when the range is 16, it will go from 0 to 15. And what if I write this one?
It's going to continue all the way until that number.
Yeah, it will go to from 0 to the 8, 5, the last one.
Yes, there's so many.
Okay. Let's check if we can see this number.
Why is it taking so long?
Oh, it is telling us that page is unresponsive. It is taking too much time. Okay.
Page is not responding.
Yeah, because I have given a longer number here. Okay, simply I can close this tab. And then we can tell it to start from 0, to start from 2 or start from 3 and go till the
6.
sixth number. The sixth number is actually the number 5,
Okay.
So if I want to start from 2, again, it will go to 5. I mean the 6th number. And here I can tell it, okay, start from 0 and go till 30. And there should be steps of 3 numbers. Okay, skip 3 numbers, okay? Start from 2,
Also, it's going to
go to
skip number
30 and
3.
skip 3 numbers. Like after 2, it will be 3, 4, 5. Skip 3 numbers. Here.
Number 3 is missing.
Yes, number 3 and 4 is also missing. You need to add 3 into, okay? 2 plus 3 is
2.
2 plus 3 is
2 plus 3
yes,
makes 5.
makes 5. And 5 plus 3 is
5 plus 3 is going to make 8.
yes, this is 8, okay? So it means it is going to start from 2 and it will go till 30 and it will add 3 to the last number.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we can also use else in for loop, although the else keyword in for loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. It's simple. In this example, for x in range 6, it will print 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when it will go to, and when it will be finished, so it will execute this one, else print finally finished. Okay.
Okay.
When this will be completed, it will execute this one. Okay. Okay, here it is. So it will
That means
print
if you
0,
make it
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will print this one.
okay.
And then suppose if we break program, then program is breaked, and then there will be no else part, okay? Because we have break the program. Okay, the interesting thing that we can nest the loops, nesting loops. It means loop inside a loop. It means loop inside a loop. So this is again
Okay.
interesting. For example, here is a list, and the name of this list is ADJ.
Red, big, tasty.
And here is also a list, and the name of this list is fruits.
Apple, banana, cherry.
Yeah. So for this list name ADJ, we are telling it for each item in this ADJ. So what is the first item?
Red.
Red. Okay. So the first item in ADJ is red.
Red.
So it means for each red, I mean for the each loop, uh, it will pick red, and then go to the next loop for y in fruits. Means use all items in fruits list. Okay. So it will pick red, and then it will pick apple, and we are going to print x and y. So what is x? It is red. And what is y? It is apple. And this is the second loop. Okay. So for first red, it will run all the y items. So what are the all the y items? These are
Apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
cherry.
and cherry. So it will print red apple XY. Then it will print red banana XY. And then it will print red cherry XY. Okay. So this is very much interesting. So you can see
Yeah.
red apple, red banana, red cherry, because this is the first item. And then for the second
Big.
X, it will print all three: big apple, big banana, big cherry. And then for the third X, it will print tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. So this is called what
Gold.
what this is called? Nested loops.
Oops. Okay.
Nested loops mean loops inside the other loops.
Okay.
So here are two lists, and this is the first loop, and this is the second loop. Okay. And the second loop is inside the first loop, and then
Okay.
we are printing here.
Okay.
And then here is a pass statement. Pass statement means suppose for x in 0, 1, 2. So this is a list, but we do not want to print anything. We are saying it, okay, pass. Okay, leave it. Leave it as it is. We want nothing. Pass means we want nothing.
Okay. But there isn't a print.
Oh, yes, if we do not want to print it, or if we do not want to make any statement here, then we can use the pass. If we do not use this keyword, it will show us an error. So that's why we use the keyword pass. Okay. So if we use the pass keyword, it will not show us an error, but it will do nothing. Okay.
Okay. Because
Okay.
we didn't print anything.
it will not print anything. So here is the exercise. What will be the result of the following code? For x in range 3, print x.
So it's going to make the first one.
Yes, it's going to make the first one. That's good.